I read the book Wild River. The author is P.J. Peterson. Ryan and Tanner go on this camping trip, and Ryan was controlling the kayak that they were riding down the river in. Then they went through a chute, and Tanner started to drown. But Ryan didn't let that happen, so he got air mattress and got Tanner out of the water. Read on to find out more. My favorite part was when Ryan went to the cliffs to climb and find help. I recommend this book to anyone who likes adventure. This book is the best book I read. I don't know about you, but I give this book 5 out of 5 stars.